Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. Thanks so much for watching. So today I'm going to be doing this look right here. It is a Daisy Marquez inspired look. I love her. She's a cutie. You guys need to watch her if you guys don't. So this is the makeup look. And if you guys want a little tutorial on how I accomplished this look, keep on watching. So I just got my brows done. So let's get this look started. What is that? Scratched myself. Okay. So if you guys do want a detailed video on how I do my eyebrows, go ahead and like this video or comment below. Also, to conceal my eyebrows, I did use the Anastasia medium, I think it is, right? Yes. Medium contour cream kit. I'm not sure what palette she used. And I don't think she did a tutorial on it. It is the 3502 Second Nature palette. So that's what I'm going to be using today. So to start off, I'm going to be using this color right here. So like I was saying, we're going to go in with that color, that lighter brown color, medium brown color. And she kind of has it winged out in the picture. So I'm going to see if I can do that without messing it up. That's how it's looking so far. So next I'm going in with this like dark reddish brown color, and I'm going to be blending that out with that brown I just put on. Okay, and that's how it's looking so far. I know it looks like shit, but obviously we're going to be blending it out. I'm going to go in with that first color, that same first color that we use, and put just a little bit on the brush, and I'm going to be blending the whole thing out. So that's how it's looking so far. It's pretty much blended. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is getting a smaller tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark it's like a darker brown color right here at the bottom, and I'm going to be grabbing that color and kind of blending everything just so it's a little darker. Now I'm going to be adding that like dark color that she has all over her eyelid, and then she blends it out kind of towards the outer corners. So we're grabbing this brush right here. Come on. With that brush, I'm going to be applying this color here. It is like a dark, like the darkest kind of brown in here. So I'm just going in right now with that color, and I'm just tapping it in on my eyelid. I've added the darker color there, so I'm going to just be blending it out all together. I'm not gonna add nothing on my brush. I noticed that she didn't have any, she didn't add any eyeliner, so I'm not going to be adding eyeliner. Plus, it's gonna be hard, and what if I mess up the whole look just because I want to add eyeliner? So let me do the other eye, and I'll be back. Okay, so my eyes are done. I know it does not look like they're done, but they are. So the eyelashes I'm going to be using today are from Lash Dreams. They are amazing quality, amazing price as well. So I'm going to be adding a little bit of mascara first to my eyelashes. So this applicator I always use just because I feel like it secures them better than me with my long ass nails trying to put them on. So I think you can buy these on their website as well. Not this black one, like a really nice, nicer gold one from Lash Dreams. Lashes are on. These are in the style Darling. They're really nice, fluffy lashes, and I love them. So I do have a code, Alexxislexus. You guys can get 15% off on your order. I'm not going to be finishing the bottom yet of my eyes just because I'm going to conceal and add everything else. So let's do that now. So of course I'm going to be adding my honeysuckle oil just so my face is not so dry, especially because the winter is coming. Now that I'm baking, I'm going to go and straighten out my hair. and I'll be back. Okay, I am back from straightening out my hair, so let me just take this off. No, I didn't have it on for like a whole hour. It takes me probably like 5 minutes to straighten out my hair. I do like this little technique that I'm going to show you guys in another video on how to straighten out your hair in like 5 minutes. This stupid coloring right now on the camera. Is that a fly? Let me go back with that dark color that we used for the whole eyelid and just go and retouch. And with the same brush, I'm going to use that same color and just go underneath. I'm not going to be using black eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Jordana Easy Liner, the same brand that I usually use. But this is in the color Brown Suede, and it's just a brown color. So I'm going to use that underneath. Okay, and I'm just going to add mascara on the bottom lashes. Before I add highlight, I do spray myself with the Mario Badescu Rose Water. This is the one I really like. I have actually, you know what, I haven't tried the other one, so I can't tell you that, but this is the one I really like. And for highlight today, I'm going to be using the, wow, you can't even see it. Hello, it's the Carly Bybel palette. It's the first one. And I'm gonna spray my brush, of course, just one time. So I'm gonna use the Jordana Easy Lip Liner in the color Rock and Rose. It's like the one I use all the time, usually. She does have like a darker lip, like a matte brown lip in the picture. So I'm gonna go check if I have like a NYX matte brown color. This one is matte lip cream from Rue 21 actually. I do like this color. It looks really nice on. Alright, my makeup look is pretty much done. I'm just gonna fix these little hairs and change, and I will be back. So let me know how I did down below in the comments. This is the final makeup look. So I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. So that was about it. See you guys next week. Bye.